Every question your team asks deserves an expert answer. Not generic advice or outdated documentation, real expertise grounded in your actual business. Breeze Assistant is an AI go-to-market expert for every employee. It understands your role, your priorities, and your context, providing insights and recommendations specific to your work. It can even execute tasks for you, like writing content and updating the CRM. In this video, I'll show you what makes Breeze Assistant smarter: deeper expertise, sharper context, better accuracy, and faster answers. I'm Kyle, and this is How to HubSpot. The quality of the answer depends on the quality of the context. Let me show you how we've improved what Breeze Assistant knows about you so answers fit your actual situation, not generic advice. Breeze Assistant now sees what page you're on in HubSpot and understands what you're trying to do. Here's how this works in practice. Let's say you're on a deal record. You open Breeze Assistant and ask, what can I do to move this forward? Breeze Assistant will be able to pull recent activities like emails, company and contact information, and then give you an answer with direct links citing its sources. If you asked a question like, how's it performing, on an asset like a blog post or landing page, Breeze Assistant will be able to pull the context from the page and then give you an answer about how well the asset is doing. To see this in action, navigate to any page in HubSpot: contacts, deals, marketing email, or blog posts. In this case, I'll select a blog. Click the Assistant button in the top right. Ask a question about what you're working on. Notice how the answer references the specific page and data you're viewing. Context-aware responses are more relevant and more actionable. Everything Breeze Assistant helps you create automatically matches your brand settings. Here's how it works. Go to Settings, and then Brand Kit. You can set up your brand voice, tone, colors, fonts, and logos. When you're done, save your brand kit. Now, when you ask Breeze Assistant to create content, campaign briefs, email copy, social posts, blog drafts, it uses your brand kit automatically. For example, if you ask it to write an email announcement, then the tone matches your brand voice settings, the messaging aligns with your positioning, and the formatting uses your brand colors. No manual customization needed. Everything is on brand by default. To test this, open Breeze Assistant from anywhere in HubSpot. Ask it to generate content. Write a promotional email for our new product launch. Notice how the output reflects your brand tone and style. Professional on-brand content without the extra work. We've improved where Breeze Assistant gets information so you get accurate answers backed by real sources. We upgraded Breeze Assistant to the latest models from OpenAI. What this means for you is faster responses, more accurate answers, better handling of complex questions, and improved efficiency across all interactions. You'll notice the difference immediately. Responses are crisper, more relevant, and more helpful. We gave Breeze Assistant direct access to HubSpot Academy, our comprehensive library of training content. This is huge. Academy contains context like step-by-step guides for every HubSpot feature, best practices from years of customer success, certification courses covering marketing, sales, and service strategies, and video tutorials and documentation. Now, when you ask a how-to question, Breeze Assistant pulls from this authoritative source. Let's try it. Open Breeze Assistant. Ask, how do I create a blog post in HubSpot? Breeze Assistant provides step-by-step instructions. Notice that it cites the Academy articles and that it includes embedded clips from Academy. And it even starts the videos at the right spot. You can click through to watch the full video or read the complete guide if you want more detail. Already, more than a third of all HubSpot how-to responses cite Academy content. That means you're getting expert-level guidance instantly, backed by HubSpot's own training resources. Breeze Assistant now accesses more of HubSpot data to provide context-aware recommendations. Here's what it can see: website analytics and page performance, campaign data, and CRM data like contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. This means when you ask for advice, you get recommendations based on your actual business, not generic best practices. You're getting answers based on your data, not hypothetical scenarios. Let's see this in action. Open Breeze Assistant. Ask, what's my highest bounce page? Breeze Assistant analyzes your analytics and gives you a specific answer with a direct link. Real insights, real data, real recommendations. We've made it easier to get the answers you need and share what works across your team. We completely overhauled the prompt library. The old system was rigid, static, Mad Lib style prompts that didn't flex to your needs. We replaced it with something much more powerful. OpenBreeze Assistant. You can browse prompts organized by category. Summarize, articles, campaigns, companies. Generate, lists, outreach emails, images, workflows. How to, ask questions about HubSpot features. And prepare, for meetings with companies or contacts. Just click any prompt to use it. To create custom prompts, click the 3 dots next to Breeze Assistant, select Prompts, or click the bookmark icon. Click Add a new prompt. Add your prompt in. You can organize it by persona or choose which assistants have access to it, and hit Save. Now it's available in your prompts for you to reuse anytime. You'll also find suggested prompts for Breeze Assistant as you navigate through HubSpot. Let's take a look at some suggested reporting prompts for marketing. I'll navigate to Reporting, Reports, and find Marketing under Analytics Suite. Here I'll find suggested prompts to get me started on collaborating with Breeze to gain insights on my marketing data. We've given Breeze Assistant deep expertise in loop marketing, HubSpot's approach for adapting and growing in the AI era. Loop marketing is a growth methodology built for the AI era. It has 4 stages. First, express. Define your ideal customer, brand positioning, and campaign strategy. Second, tailor. Personalize content and experiences for different segments. Third, amplify. Expand reach across channels and formats. And fourth, evolve. Continuously improve based on performance data. Breeze Assistant now guides you through this entire methodology as the authoritative source for loop marketing guidance. Instead of searching through blog posts or asking your team, you get expert help instantly. Here's how to use it. First, open Breeze Assistant. Then ask it, how do I optimize my content for ChatGPT and Google AI overviews? Breeze Assistant will then walk you through several things. Strategy, what content to create for AI engines. On-page optimization, how to structure content for AI. Data and evidence to make your content citation-worthy. Technical and HubSpot-specific AEO steps to help you transition to answer engine optimization. And a checklist, AEO for ChatGPT and Google AI overviews. Notice each section includes embedded Academy videos and other cited resources throughout. From there, you can share a URL or draft, and Breeze Assistant will share suggested revisions of AEO optimized headings, answer blocks, and stat opportunities tailored to your content. Some other prompts worth mentioning. What is loop marketing, and how is it different from the traditional funnel? What should my content strategy look like for the amplify stage? How do I create AI personalized content at scale? What's the best way to transition from inbound marketing to loop marketing? Every prompt guides you through foundational work that makes your campaigns more effective. You told us what needed to change, we built it. Breeze Assistant is smarter, faster, and more helpful than ever. Here's my recommendation for getting started. Step 1, set your role. Make sure your role is set correctly in your profile so Breeze Assistant can tailor answers to your job. Step 2, complete your brand kit. Set up your brand kit so everything Breeze Assistant creates is automatically on brand. Step 3, ask contextual questions. Open Breeze Assistant from the pages you're working on, contacts, campaigns, analytics, and ask questions about what you're viewing. Step 4, explore the prompt library. In the top right corner of Breeze Assistant, select Prompt Library. Try a few to understand the range of capabilities. Step 5, create and share custom prompts. When you find a prompt that works perfectly, save it and share it with your team. Build a library of prompts that make everyone more productive. And finally, step 6, use loop marketing guidance. If you're planning campaigns, use Breeze Assistant's loop marketing expertise to guide your strategy and execution. Breeze Assistant has access to HubSpot Academy, your business data, and context about what you're working on. It understands your role and your brand. It provides answers you can trust, backed by authoritative sources. If you want to dive deeper into Breeze Assistant, check out the resources in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'm Kyle, and this is How to HubSpot. I'll catch you next time.